my bar kit. So I have two cups. One that I use as an ice scoop. More than likely this one, or you can put 4 cocktails in this one, and probably like 2 or 3 in this one. This is the lid that comes with the shaker. When you shake things, you're supposed to swirl it in a circle, in a circle, because you're trying to aerate it. You're not really trying to dilute it. You're trying to gently aerate it. This is a muddler. This is a strainer. This is also a strainer. So this is a strainer I would use when I'm pouring drinks. I like to use this one. You can go up really high and you're not gonna spill anything anywhere. This is more so a strainer if you're doing it over like a coupe, if you're making like a classic cocktail. This is a jigger. It is gonna be 2 ounces on one side and 1 ounce on the other. This is the wine key. Again, getting the one that has that has this extra little lip is really gonna help you get the wine cork out in one piece, no matter how vintage the bottle or how cheap the bottle. Just pay a little bit more and get that one. This is a beer opener. I use it all the time on its side to open sodas, to get under that lip, to open any kind of mixers, just to save my nails. These are pour spouts. I like the rose gold, as you can see. You want to have at least 5, you know, vodka, tequila, whiskey, gin, a scotch, but having more is definitely helpful. And then this is my awesome little spoon for stirring the drinks, stirring cocktails. It's pretty cool. You can use it from the top and you can spin correctly, which if you want to see another video on how to build cocktails, I'm happy to show that. I got this kit. These wine keys fit right in here, and this. Got this kit from Amazon. This video is not sponsored. Just go on Amazon and pick bar kit. It rolls up so I can carry it to go, and it has a handle. I will say I love it.